हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लिटिल स्टार। आज इस वीडियो में जीके क्विज ऑन एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स देखेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। व्हाट एनिमल इज नोन फॉर इट्स एबिलिटी टू चेंज कलर टू ब्लेंड इनटू इट्स सराउंडिंग्स? Chameleon. What is the fastest aquatic animal? Black marlin. Which bird is the largest in the world? Ostrich. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. Which animal has the longest neck? Giraffe. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which bird lays the smallest eggs? Hummingbird. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes? Zebra. Which animal has three hearts? Octopus. Which bird's eggs are the largest in size? Ostrich. Thank you for watching this video.